Kit's crows. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, time to lock up. I'm sure the birds will be along shortly. I gotta go. Hey, you gotta follow me. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We're gonna go this way. Come on. I hope he's following. Where you at, little guy? Come on. Come on. He's waddling. Oh, hey, come on, friends. We gotta go this way. Come on. Come on. We're going over here. Okay? Come on. The starlings are making a lot of noise. Come on, guys. Come on. A little more. We're going over here. It seems like the best spot I can think of. You're still following. Come on, come on. We're gonna leave a big treat right here. Now open that a little more so I can get a lot. Come on. Where'd your friend go? Come on. Oh, there you are. Uh-oh. Where'd the starlings go? I hope they'll be along. Oh, there's a magpie. Yeah. I'm sorry, we gotta go over here now. There he is. Uh-oh. What are we doing? It's another magpie. Alright, well, I gotta go. Sorry, I can't feed you at my door anymore. I hope the starlings come along. You can share, I left a bunch. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Oh, there's two friends waiting for me. I'm a-coming. Get these treats. Hi guys. How are you? You're coming over to me. I gotta put the treats down though. Yeah? 1 second. Yeah. Leave it a good amount. That's it. Oh! Tiny friend. Hey. Oh, where are you going? Go join them. Okay, see you guys later. There's a little friend. Oh, I can't see you now. Oh, there you are. Okay, I'll give you a little treat. Oh, if you stay. There we go. Okay, guys. There, a little one. Yay. Oh, we're so hungry. Yum, yum. They'll be back. Or they'll catch me at the chickens. Making some cool noises. Yeah, you are. Hi. Okay, everyone wants some treats. I hope they finish up the other pile too. There. Okay, there you go. Yay. Alright. Now how's the chickens? I see them. Chicken. Boop, boop. Blurry, it's focusing on the leaf. There's so much greenery in the way. Not that that's a bad thing, it's pretty. I can't see them very well. Oh, there's the garbage truck coming. I think I got some time and can't pass this. Oh, there's a whole bunch of starlings. I left treats. I'll leave another treat up ahead. Morning. There's a few of them gathering. They know I'm coming. Is that truck coming behind me? Yes, it is. I will scoot over here. It's coming awful slow. We got a whole bunch of birds waiting for us. I got just something in my sock anyway. There's like a pokey weed in my sock. Okay. Don't need to go too crazy, but we got some friends. Even though all you are at, oh, that's a baby. That's one of the babies. Oh, dang it. I was about to zoom in. Oh, there goes the parent to feed it. They were sitting near each other, I can only assume. Well, I gotta go. The dump truck's gonna catch up to me. I was putting my camera down, but look at this guy. Hey, Nova. How you doing, pupper? Oh. There's a crow hanging out waiting for me there. I know that. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's going to follow me. Waiting patiently in the usual spot. One sec. Okay. There. All right, it's all yours. Yay. All right. Well, I hope some more friends show up. I'll see you later. Hey! I saw the tiny shadow. So I'm certain you were coming to me. Okay. I'll leave a little treat. Don't need a lot. So you'll certainly bring some friends. Yeah. All right. Happy little guy. Oh, yeah, there we go. Well, they'll be back. There's a couple of crows. Hey! What's up? I just got off work. 1 second. I'm gonna put it closer to you in case cars pull in. Hang on. I gotta open this a little more. There. There you go. Your friend gonna come over? Alright, well, you enjoy that. Where's that friend? I know he's up the tree. You can come join. Or follow me. Do I know that little starling? Hey! What are you doing? Well, I suppose I could cross. There's cars though. You had to go over there, didn't you? You want to come over? Okay. Traffic's slowed down enough. I'm coming. You going to see me? So we're going to put a little treat right over here. There. You see that? I hope so. So I'm certain he was looking. There we go. Oh, there you are. I was looking for you. Hi. There we go. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, you're over there. Oh. All right. Enjoy. Let's see. I see a couple chickens in the shade back there. The brown and the silky. The other ones must be hanging out inside because it's kind of warm today. It's nice, but it's warm. Let's see. Oh, I see a few of them way back there. If I can, I don't know. I don't think I can get them. Wait, oh, there we go. Yeah. Whoa, apples are falling. Spooked me. Okay, time to go home. There's a magpie party back there. Wonder what they're doing. You see? Oh, there's the crow. I was wondering where you were. I know he wants to follow me home, but I can leave him a treat over here. Come on, little friend. I'm leaving treats. Leaving the whole bunch. Are they coming? They still don't see me. Well, I hope you get it. Let's see. Sitting right over there. If I move a little there, you can see him better. He just wants to follow me home though. I know it. Oh, good. You got it. Oh, hey, friends. Just what I was hoping for, because we gotta train them to go at that spot now. Unless I can get them to follow me to the backyard. If they follow me this way, then I'll see what I can do. I don't know. So we're going out to the backyard with our treats. Okay. I suppose I could extend out of it because I'm still setting stuff up. Can't see that. There it is. I need a Pepsi. Grab me something to drink. Yeah. On here with me. Hang on. I put my bag in a stupid spot. Can you see it though? The treats. Right there. There we go. Make sure this doesn't blow up. Ooh. It wants to. It's a hot day. I'm watching you. Good day for a Pepsi. There's a ton of magpies over in the pine trees. They got nests up there, but it's also just their home. I'd love it if they'd come over. This is my fanny pack that I wear when I'm actually out walking and giving them treats. And my lost a piece of cat food. I'm sitting on it. There we go. So I'm gonna chuck a small handful out there. Yeah, there's a fly going in my food container. Yeah, get over there. Yeah. So I'm probably not going to wait too long, 10-15 minutes at the most. I don't know if they saw me come back here or not, but it's the best I got. Feed them at the end of the drive and here. She said that she wanted to feed them in the backyard, and so this is fine. And at the end of the drive, it's even further from her place, so that shouldn't be a problem. If you have a problem with that, then I don't know, nothing will make her happy, I guess. Grumpy neighbors. I did see 2 magpies over there. Open the bush. Kitty! Oh, you see the kitty? That's why they're freaking out. Oh, the kitty went behind the shed. And there's our playground. That was Velcro. They were chasing him off. I thought they were coming over to see me. Wouldn't mind seeing Velcro. He would probably would have gone for the food though. Velcro, kitty, kitty. Come over here. Bring the magpies. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Right there. Just playing around. But I'm not coming over here. They love my yard, but they're just not used to me being here yet. And this is new. So they play on our playground equipment more than we do. Since the kids trashed it, it's no longer usable. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go in. There's nothing going on. They moved on. I hear them in the distance over the fence. Okay. Well, I tried. Guess I'm going in, because I don't know what to do. Treats, got my drink, and a chair. There we go. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye! Bye!